Every once in a while I show the sound in the room versus what's coming out of here in the computer. What I do is extremely complicated. So I wanted to show what it sounds like here. It's just a GoPro. I know it's not going to sound the best, but you can get an idea of what it sounds like in the room. And then I'll show what it sounds like coming out of the computer. This is a 7-piece double bass early 80s Pearl export. It's got two 22 by 18 inch bass drums, a Mapex 14 by 8 snare. The toms are 13, 14, 16, 18. I don't remember the depths. They're deep though. They've got 2-ply top and bottom on the toms. They're Evans EC2S on the top and Remo Pinstripe on the bottom. I remember the top head on the snare is an Evans hydraulic black. I don't remember what's on the bottom. I think it's just a standard, single ply snare head. It's got 4 crashes, a ride, a hi-hat, a china, and 2 splashes. As far as microphones, there's 1 in each bass drum. There's top and bottom snare. There's each tom, so that's another 4. We're up to 8. You got the hi-hat, the ride, an XY, that's 10 already, an XY pair overheads, that's 12, and then there's a room mic across the room. That's 13 mics, and I'm using like 30 channels or something. I have this crazy thing happening over here. This is where the computer is. There's some triggering going on, even though there's no triggers on top here. It's using the microphones. I've got a really weird, complicated thing happening, but I think I'm getting a pretty decent sound out of this thing. It suits the music that I play. I play 80s metal, which is now, I guess, classic metal. So that's the sound I'm going for. Maybe in the future I'll do a video of what's really going on in the computer and underneath here with the mixer. And also maybe I'll go through which microphones I'm using and how they're positioned and everything. I don't know. That could be a long, involved video, or I can do like a ton of little pieces for each piece, of what am I doing here versus what am I doing there? I don't know. We'll see. I don't know. I'm just lazy.